Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis. Today's discussion is going to be very different and interesting one as we are going to analyze the Chinese threat in Indian Ocean and what is India's strategy to counter it. This is going to be a little longer video than a usual ones as we are going to have a detailed analysis. So request you all to stay with us till the end of the video. Now let's look at the Chinese threat. If you closely observe the map of Indian Ocean region, it is bounded by Asia in northeast, Australia in southeast, and Africa to the west. It is home to the rapidly growing economies of the world and trade routes. Indian Ocean region alone produces 40% of offshore petroleum. Now you can understand why China is interested in Indian Ocean region. Now China has been mulling to expand its footprint in this region. The Chinese survey ships, underwater drones have been operating quietly in the waters of Indian Ocean, which is alarming for India. China is systematically mapping the seabed across the vast swath of Indian Ocean. Recently, a long-endurance Chinese unmanned underwater vehicle was found trailing in the Indian Ocean. The hydrographic data collected by China can be used for both civilian and military uses. With the dragon continuously spreading its fang in Indian Ocean region, the government of India has decided to host a conclave of defense ministers of 28 nations on 4th February. The focus will be on security concerns and collaborative efforts to counter the aggressive China. The conclave will be part of Aero India event scheduled next month in Bengaluru. The theme of this conclave will be enhanced peace, security and cooperation in Indian Ocean. The another major objective which Indian government is trying to achieve is to sell its defense equipment to these nations. The 28 nations faces similar security challenges in water as that of India. It's important for India to equip all these nations with the required defense hardware to counter China. Recently, Indian government has engaged with Philippines and Vietnam for the export of BrahMos missile. India has also been quite successful in developing fast patrol vessels, frigates and air defense systems such as Akash, and many other countries have also expressed their interest in it. This will come as a big boost to Indian defense sector as most of the nations around Indian Ocean region do not have the capability to procure weapons from Western countries, and China of course is out of equation. Now let's talk about India's second strategy. In coming weeks, Indian armed forces are going to conduct a large-scale joint military exercise under the aegis of Andaman and Nicobar Command. The exercise will be named as Kavach, and it's unique in a way that it involves Indian Army, Navy, Air Force and Coast Guard. The tri-services aim to enhance the joint war-fighting capabilities and standard operating procedures to enhance the operational synergy. The joint forces would execute high-intensity defensive and offensive maneuvers and carrying out amphibious landing operations, air-landed operations, helicopter-borne insertion of special forces. It will also involve mobilizing of maritime surveillance assets, coordinated air and maritime strikes, air defense, submarine and landing operations. The Intelligence, Surveillance and Reconnaissance (ISR) will validate the capabilities of intelligence gathering and sharing from air, water, land and space-based assets to achieve battlefield transparency for rapid action and response at different stages of the operation. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.